Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get milestone reward in mystery signing event of EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So this is a milestone reward for you. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game still confusing. How you can complete the quest, how you can challenge the event so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap the news update first. Mystery Signing is back with a twist. Uncover hints about two featured players over the week, and then choose your favorite to add to your squad. So it means you have to choose one player of two, whoever you need for your squad or your club. And also new mystery signing are added every week, so it will different player in each week. Let's get started. And next, let's try to search mystery signing live event. Tap it. And this one. Milestone. Get 3 mysterious players to choose one milestone reward. So you have to choose only one of the 3 player here. So you can unlock this player after made a 3 mysterious player to choose. This one. So this is the first one. So you have to choose 3 or sign the 3 player from this mystery signing event. After you sign 3 mystery signing, you can unlock this. You can refill this mysterious player to choose one only milestone reward for you. So please be patient. Play this game every day. It will take your time. But I hope you enjoy this game. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click thanks button below. Going dark.